Okay? So now we're working deeper into the pelvic region, into the hips. So you want to come out to the side, shift your hips back, bend forward from your waist, and put your palms to the floor. Now from here, you're going to put your forearms to the floor. So you're going to breathe in, and you're going to exhale, forearms down. Come back up. Walk your left hand forward, your right hand forward, and breathe in. And as you exhale, lower your stuff down towards the floor. Come back up. Move your hands back. Turn your hands backwards and rotate on your left heel. Rotate on your right heel. Okay, y'all see that? Let me see that happening, bro. There you go. Everybody doing it? I can't see y'all. What happened to you, LaDonia?
I did the backwards thing.
Okay, inch your feet in. Then put your hands on your thighs and come up. Exhale. Okay? Bring your feet together. Good. Okay?